Most people sew cargo pants wrongly, and that is why it doesn't sit well. So in today's video, I'll be taking you guys on how to draft, cut and sew a cargo trouser. So if you watch my tutorial video yesterday, I taught you guys on how to make a trouser properly that makes it sit well. So if you want to know how I drafted that pattern, go to my previous video and watch how to draft this pants trouser pattern at ease, so you can know how I was able to get this and use it on this cargo trouser. Okay, so we move on to placing the pattern on the fabric and cutting out the pattern already and adding our sewing allowance. Okay, so here we're already cutting, and on that tutorial video I told you, I explained very well on how you can achieve your trouser properly. Okay, and also we also move on to the sewing. I also did the sewing process on that video, so click on this link to watch that video, because you're going to really learn how to make a trouser properly. So this is the back pattern we're already cutting out. So just in order not to take your time, that is why I'm making use of this this pattern for this tutorial video. So if you want to know how I achieve this pattern, go to that click on that link and watch the video. Okay, so here we're already cutting out the back pattern, and I'm going to be cutting the pattern for the cargo by the side. So I already cut out the pocket side for this, so and for this, but what I'm going to be showing you guys how to cut this cargo pants, the pocket. So to cut the pocket, we have 9 inches by 10 inches. So here you're going to be folding, marking 1 inch at the side and sewing that 1 inch. After ironing, that is what we have. Then from there you're going to be folding 2 inches. You're going to fold it, that's for the seam. You're going to fold it, that's for the beginning of the cargo. So then you iron the sides by 1/2 inch with the iron and move on to, after ironing it, this is what, so you now move on to measuring from that point, from where you stop the seam. Okay, so you move on, measure it, whatever you get is what you're going to be using to cut out a strap, which is a long strap, just to sew together. And make sure when you're cutting this long strap, it's 2 inches away. It's just 2 inches. So on fold you cut about 3 inches, so that after sewing you'll be left with 2 inches, and that is what we are doing at this point. So after cutting this long strap, we'll now move ahead to start from under the seam, that place you folded. Under that place you start from there, then sew it down to that side too. So we'll move on to the sewing machine just for you guys to see how we were able to do it, and you can see how it's already looking. So we'll now bring out our pant trouser. So make sure that you don't fold. You only need to fold down the side, join the two side, both the back and the front pattern together, and then measure your knee length. So we are going to be putting this above your knee length, 2 inches above the knee length. So we'll mark out 2 inches above the knee length, then place your pocket on it, which is a cargo pocket already. So place it on it backwardly, and then mark out where we'll be folding, because you don't need how to get the accurate way. You have to fold it like, to turn the back, then measure it like this, then mark out where you're going to be folding together. Okay, so after that we will now move on, after marking that point. So we'll now move on, and on the previous video I told you guys that this chalk I'm holding is a tailored chalk, is a modernized tailored chalk. Just in case you want to use it, go to the nearest market and purchase. So after sewing this on your pants trouser, you now measure what you have for the length at the beginning of the pocket. You measure it, then measure the length, like we are measured 5 inches at this point, so 5 inches by 7 inches, so we have in total the length for that is 6.5. So I measure 7 inches, so because of the sewing, then we mark out the shape that you want. So this is the shape I wanted for the um covering of the pocket, and we'll move ahead to joining this together. So after that, after sewing, we'll now be placing, and this is how amazing it looks on my clients. Hope you like. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. See you guys on my next video. Bye.